Welcome to this week's edition of Hematology Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by LucidQuest. The European Commission has approved Roche's Columvi in combination with GemOx for adults with relapsed or refractory diffuse large B-cell lymphoma who are ineligible for stem cell transplant. This marks the first bispecific antibody combo approved for this indication. Clinical trials showed that Columvi plus GemOx reduced the risk of death by 41% compared to our GemOx. The Elicera study reports that combining Daratumumab with lenalidomide led to a 50.5% minimal residual disease negativity rate at 12 months, compared to 18.8% with lenalidomide alone. The combination reduced the risk of disease progression by 47%, with no unexpected safety issues. Exicure announced that its investigational agent GPC100 met its CD34 positive cell mobilization endpoint in all enrolled patients. The drug enabled same-day leukapheresis, offering a faster alternative to currently approved treatments. Final recruitment for the Phase 1b/2 study is expected by the end of April. AB Science has secured a U.S. patent for mafodotin, extending intellectual property protection through 2040. Mafodotin targets mast cells, representing a novel mechanism in sickle cell disease management. The company plans Phase 2 trials under its SickMast clinical program. Elicera Therapeutics has received approval to escalate dosing in its CARMA trial. The first patient achieved a complete response without serious adverse events. The study leverages Elicera's iTank platform to enhance immune activation. Financial resources are secured through 2027. Ferrin Pharmaceuticals reported promising results for Bexmarilimab in myelodysplastic syndromes. Objective response rates were 76% in newly diagnosed patients and 63% in relapsed or refractory cases. The therapy demonstrated no dose-limiting toxicities. Full data will be presented at ASCO 2025. Radiance Biopharma has initiated a Phase 1 trial in China for RB164, an antibody-drug conjugate targeting ROR1. This therapy addresses both hematologic and solid tumors. Enhanced conjugation technology is expected to improve safety and pharmacokinetics. Trials in the United States, Europe, and Australia are planned. The FDA has granted Fast Track designation to PTX-100 for the treatment of mycosis fungoides, a rare form of cutaneous T-cell lymphoma. A Phase 2A trial is currently underway in Melbourne. Earlier data showed a 42% objective response rate and a strong safety profile. The first-in-human trial of VAS-101, a topical curcumin-based gel, is now underway for sickle cell disease pain management. The gel aims to reduce pain and red blood cell fragility while providing opioid-sparing benefits. The trial is led by FSCDR in collaboration with the National Institutes of Health and Functional Fluidics. The FDA has granted Regenerative Medicine Advanced Therapy designation to Immunopharma's LYL314. This CAR T-cell therapy targets both CD19 and CD20, showing a 94% overall response rate and a 71% complete response rate in early studies. 2 pivotal trials are planned for 2025 and 2026. The FDA has granted orphan drug designation to odronextamab for treating splenic marginal zone lymphoma. This rare disease has limited treatment options. Developed by Regeneron, odronextamab now benefits from market exclusivity and tax incentives. Early clinical data is promising. A real-world study published in Blood Advances followed 2,147 children with sickle cell disease over a decade. Hydroxyurea treatment significantly reduced emergency room visits and hospitalizations. The therapy showed greatest effectiveness in patients with consistent adherence. The United Kingdom has approved Belantamab mafodotin in combination with both BVD and BPD regimens for relapsed or refractory multiple myeloma. The DREAM7 and DREAM8 trials demonstrated notable progression-free survival benefits. Toxicity was manageable, with a low discontinuation rate. Stay ahead in hematology research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit www.lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.